our harvest done. We have like one tiny strip of our road that just has a little bit of paddy left. We'll do that by hand later on. It's not ready quite yet, but we are very blessed because right after we harvested, I think it was the next day, we had some really heavy rainfall that caused a lot of problems for other people's paddy, and a lot of paddy got destroyed, and the combine was not able to come into the anyone's fields because of that. So even the combines that came in, some of them got stuck in the mud and all, so it was really a problem. So we were just very blessed. It was really God's blessing because Anish and I had prayed every day for our crops, and at just the right timing, we were able to get a road into our field. The field behind us got harvested at just the right timing, and as soon as we saw that the field behind us was getting harvested, that opened up a way into our field. So we Anish quickly called the combine guy, got it set up, and we got our harvest done just in time. So that was just God's blessing. We are very happy. This week we are getting this wall built. So I'll show you this wall. There's a little border that goes all the way around our house property, and the reason for this wall is just to protect our dirt, especially for our soil, so that when it rains a lot, it doesn't just get washed into the other field, and it's also to protect from other fields pesticide and whatever chemicals they might be using. They're also doing some putty work inside, and he'll be doing primer paint for the downstairs. Anish has been working on the railing for the balcony upstairs, so this is the wall that they're building. It's 2 feet around near our house because our house is going to have higher level of dirt. We're putting more dirt around our house, and then on that side it's only 1 foot, so it's really just to protect our dirt to stay in one place. लास्ट डे कुछ बोलना है? Not much is happening today because most of the workers are done with their work. And the only things left are putting on putty on the walls. So most of the workers are finished. We still have our main mystery here who is doing tiles in the bathroom. And Naomi has something to say.
Next we're going to put primer.
Primer, that's right. They're going to put primer after the putty. And anything you want to add to that, Evelyn? Huh? What have you all been doing this week? Playing. Oh, playing. Something different, yeah. And enjoying. Now the combines are busy again, so everybody's enjoying watching the combines every day. Anything else?
And almost every day when combine comes.
Almost every day one combine comes. It's really fun and they're really huge. Naomi, you have anything to say?